guys, it's me Tata, and today I'll show you life hacks Instagram bloggers. Subscribe my channel and let's go. Such a photo have all bloggers, and what is the secret? When you sit down, you have to lift your a little bit. Next life hack to make legs appear longer. During the photography, do not stop, be always in action to make your photos come alive. The next life hack is that you should have a sincere smile. Interact with something.